How to fix Sonic Racing CrossWorlds is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to open up the properties window by right-clicking the game on your library and opening properties window. And then go to installed files, click on verify the integrity of game files. And while this process is checking, you can go back to the general tab, and in the launch options box you can type -dx11 command like this. Now you can close out of Steam. And next you'll need to open up a new browser tab and then search for Redist for redistributables. Click on the first link and then you should scroll down to the second table here. Make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64-bit version of the redistributables. And before you restart your computer after you finish the installation, you will need to also update your graphics card. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to install the NVIDIA app, which is this one here. Go to the drivers and select Game Ready driver. Check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. And once you finish that, you can proceed to restart your computer. And after the restart, you will need to open up Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can launch the game again, and this should fix the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.